Do you struggle with getting your child to keep their room clean? You're not alone, but here's the good news. Every child can learn to keep their room clean, and we're here to guide you through that journey. A clean room is more than just a tidy space. It's a stepping stone towards instilling life skills such as responsibility, organization, and independence in your child. When a child maintains a clean room, they're taking charge of their environment, learning to respect their belongings, and understanding the value of cleanliness. These skills pave the way for their future, equipping them with the tools needed to navigate adulthood successfully. So, how do we motivate our little ones to take on this seemingly daunting task, you ask? Well, it's a combination of guidance, encouragement, and setting clear expectations. Remember, patience is key, and every small step counts. Every child can learn to keep their room clean, and we're here to guide you through that journey. Firstly, it's crucial to lead by example. As parents, we have a significant influence on our children's behavior, and this extends to cleanliness and organization. You see, children are like sponges. They absorb everything around them, and they learn a lot by observing their parents' actions. So, if we want our children to keep their rooms clean, we need to demonstrate good cleaning habits ourselves. This means keeping our own spaces, be it the living room, kitchen, or our personal rooms, tidy and organized. When your child sees you regularly cleaning and taking care of your surroundings, they'll understand the importance of cleanliness and organization. You can also involve them in cleaning activities around the house, showing them how it's done and why it's essential. It's all about setting a good example and creating an environment that values cleanliness. Remember, your actions speak louder than words. Start early and make cleanliness a habit. This mantra is the cornerstone of instilling a sense of responsibility in youngsters. Introducing your child to cleaning routines from an early age sets the groundwork for them to develop good habits. You can begin with simple tasks such as picking up toys after playtime or putting dirty clothes in a laundry basket. As your child grows older, gradually increase the complexity of the tasks. This way, they learn to handle responsibility at their own pace. But remember, it's not just about assigning tasks. It's about making cleanliness a regular part of their lives. Establish a regular cleaning schedule. Set specific times each day or week for tidying up. This could be before bedtime or on weekends. By integrating cleaning into their regular routine, it becomes second nature. They'll start to see it not as a chore, but as a part of their daily lives. Consistency is key to developing good cleaning habits. Cleaning can seem like a daunting task, but not if we break it down. It's all about making a seemingly large task more manageable. Picture this. Instead of telling your child to clean their room, which can be overwhelming, break it down into smaller tasks. You could create a checklist that includes tasks such as making the bed, putting away toys, organizing books, and sorting through clothes. This approach not only makes the job feel less intimidating, it also provides a clear roadmap for your child to follow. And the satisfaction of ticking off tasks as they're completed, that can be a powerful motivator. By breaking the cleaning process down into bite-sized pieces, your child will be more likely to tackle the task head-on rather than avoiding it. Plus, this method teaches valuable skills like project management and time allocation. By breaking it down, the task of cleaning becomes less intimidating and more achievable. Acknowledgement and guidance are essential in this process. Let's delve into why. Recognizing your child's efforts goes a long way in boosting their motivation. When they see that their hard work is noticed and appreciated, they'll be more inclined to continue the good work. So don't forget to offer praise when your child keeps their room clean. A simple, well done or good job can make a world of difference. In addition to verbal praise, consider offering small rewards or incentives. This doesn't mean you have to shower them with gifts. A little extra time for their favorite activity or a small treat will do. Remember, the goal is to make cleaning their room feel less like a chore and more like an accomplishment. But praise alone isn't enough. You also need to provide guidance. Be there to show them how to properly clean and organize different areas of their room. Teach them how to sort their toys, arrange their books, fold their clothes, and so on. But don't just do it for them. Encourage them to take the lead while you provide support when needed. This process isn't just about keeping a room clean. It's about teaching responsibility, organization, and the value of hard work. So, be patient, be consistent, and remember, every small step is a step in the right direction. With your praise and guidance, your child will be more motivated to keep their room clean. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Just like the ancient city, teaching your child to maintain a clean room is a process that requires time, patience, and unwavering consistency. It's important to understand that children learn at their own pace. You might find yourself repeating instructions or reorganizing the room with them over and over. That's okay. In fact, it's a critical part of the learning process. Every repetition is an opportunity for your child to better understand the importance of cleanliness and organization. Patience also means allowing your child to make mistakes. Yes, you might walk into a messy room despite them promising to clean up. Instead of getting frustrated, view this as a teaching moment. Gently remind them of the importance of a clean room and guide them through the process of tidying up once more. Consistency, on the other hand, is about maintaining the same expectations and routines. Keeping a regular cleaning schedule and sticking to it, no matter how busy life gets, sends a strong message to your child about the importance of cleanliness. And lastly, remember to be patient with yourself as well. It's easy to get discouraged when progress seems slow, but take heart in knowing that with every small step, your child is learning valuable life skills that go beyond a clean room. With time, patience, and consistency, your child will surely learn to keep their room clean.